Alright guys, welcome back. The first thing you're going to do is open CapCut on your smartphone and log into your account. Now, move over to your laptop and open CapCut. At the top left corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it. Next, on your phone, tap on Me at the bottom right corner. Then on your laptop, select Use QR Code. And on your phone, tap Scan QR Code. Now watch, I'm going to use my smartphone to scan the QR code for a few seconds. Once it's scanned successfully, it will ask you to confirm sign in on your phone. Simply tap Confirm. Now wait for just a moment while CapCut signs you in automatically. And boom, we're successfully logged into CapCut on the laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Baco Smart Tech for more awesome tutorials just like this.